Yeah, hello all. Good evening to everyone. Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So sure. We will start our session. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sirisha. I have total 10 years of experience on this industry. So in this, out of total 8 years of experience, I have an SAP SD. So in this, I have worked on so many projects which for so many markets, which include support project, upgradation, at the same time rollouts, okay, and for implementation I involved. So these are the things which I have involved in past all these days. So when coming to project experience, I have worked on different projects, okay, at the same time for the different markets, like whether it's for Poland, Germany, Sweden, and when coming to Italy, till it's ongoing Brazil. So these are the projects. So for different markets, I have involved. So okay, so and I have this is my introduction. Okay, so I will explain first of all. Today we have a demo session regarding to this. Okay, we will discuss on demo session. So small introduction regarding to the SAP sales and distribution. So after completion of session, okay, first of all, I will first portion what I do, I will complete myself. Okay, so I will complete my portion. So what are the things I want to explain you. Then after I will give you a own time. Okay, then you have to discuss your personal doubts or you have any queries. Okay, and let me introduce yourselves. Okay, that is the thing we have to follow. Okay, so for that I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. So first I will complete demo session. Then after I'll give you a turn for you. You will discuss your doubts at the same time. So your queries. Okay. So first of all, today we will discuss demo session on SAP SD. Okay. Today we will have a demo session on SAP SD. Okay, SD means what? SAP SD means sales and distribution. What is that? Sales and distribution. Simple. SD is a module. Okay, SD is a module. What is the full form? Sales and distribution. How sales and distribution of product will happen. Okay, how sales and distribution of product will happen. Okay, so before we are going to know about the SD, what is SAP? Okay, what is SAP? That we will discuss. What is SAP? SAP stands for, okay, how SD will have a full form sales and distribution, like that SAP also will have a full form. What is that? System applications and products in data processing. Okay, system applications and products in data processing. It's like that. So while processing of data, while using of these system applications and product, okay, we are using this software. So what is this? It was founded in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees. Okay, it was founded on 1972. On which year? On 1972 by 5 former IBM employees. Okay, 5 employees from the IBM, they have started this. Okay, they had started this. Their goal was to create software that integrated business process and provide real-time data processing. Okay, so anything, okay, any new thing, any new invention, if we want to start, our goal is what? So our goal is it is further useful. Okay, it is further useful. Till now there is such implementation is not happened. Okay, till now that thing is not happened, we want to implement that, we want to create new thing. Okay, that is everyone goal. Okay, like that, these 5 IBM employees goal was to create software. Okay, one of the software, at the same time SAP is a software. What does it do? It integrated business processes and provided real-time data processing. Okay, it integrates business processes and provide real-time data processing. So entire business, okay, entire business in the market it process and real-time data processing. Okay, that is the thing. What does it mean? System applications and products in data processing. At the same time, it was founded in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees. Okay, their goal is what? Their goal was to create software. Okay, their goal was to create software that integrate business processes and provided real-time data processing. Okay, so when coming to next slide, SAP. Okay, SAP, system applications and products in data processing. Okay, SAP is a German multinational software corporation. German multinational software corporation that provides enterprise resource planning. What is that? That provides enterprise resource planning software and related enterprise applications. SAP is a multinational software that provides what is that? ERP software and related enterprise applications. Whenever if we are going to forward, so next slides we have to understand this ERP things. Okay, that is the first thing. And the second point is what? It helps businesses manage their operations. Okay, it helps businesses manage their operations, include financials, logistics, human resource and supply chain management. Simple. Whenever we want to run any business, okay, whenever we want to run any business, we have a different things. Okay, we have a different things, at the same time different needs. So suppose we have a financial department, logistic department, human resource department, supply chain department, like that. We have different departments. What is the goal of this? It helps businesses manage their operation. Okay, manage their operations including financials, logistics, human resource and supply chain management. Okay, when coming to third point, SAP software integrate various business process across departments. Okay, SAP software integrates various business process across departments, providing greater visibility and control over operations. What is that? Greater visibility and control over operations. Simple. So we are created one software, that's okay. So on which way it is useful? It help in businesses manage their operations including financials, logistics, human resource and supply chain management, like that. Okay, at the same time it integrate various business process across department. Okay, providing greater visibility and control over operations. Suppose this is a financial thing, okay, including financials in the sense it will see all the financial related things. Okay, logistics in the sense what? It will see the delivery related things. Okay, it will see the delivery related things. When coming to human resource, what is that? Human resource, it will see about the manpower, how to hire the people in organization. Okay, they will see those things. Okay, supply chain management is what? Like that, the entire in and outflow. Okay, in and outflow. So like that, so they have every department will have their individual importance. Okay, individual work and individual important. Okay, at the same time they have individual software also. Okay, they have individual software also. But SAP software, what is it? That SAP software what will do? It will integrate the business process across different departments. Okay, different departments, it will integrate, provide greater visibility and control over operations. So one financial to logistics, suppose logistics to human resource to supply chain management, like that. Okay, one department to another department, greater visibility and control over operations. Okay, greater visibility and control over operations. Okay, next. Next is what? SAP is a ERP package. What is that? SAP is a ERP package. ERP means what? Okay, I said one statement, that's okay. SAP is a ERP package. What does ERP stands for? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource and Planning. Okay, what is that? Enterprise Resource and Planning. That is the ERP stands for. Okay, that is the thing ERP stands for. At the same time, ERP also specifies. Okay, ERP what specifies? SAP is a ERP package, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. At the same time, ERP specifies how to use 4Ms. Okay, how to use 4Ms. What are those 4Ms? Money, material, machinery and manpower. Okay, money, material, machinery and manpower. By using of these 4Ms, how to use these 4Ms in business, by using these 4Ms how we have to run the business, that specifies the ERP. Okay, that specifies the ERP. At the same time, if you want to go with a few things. Okay, if you want to go with a few things regarding to the this ERP, I will let you know. Okay, so what I said here, SAP is a ERP package, enterprise resource and planning. At the same time, ERP specifies how to use 4Ms. Okay, ERP specifies how to use 4Ms. What are those 4Ms? Money, material, machinery, and manpower. These are 4Ms. Okay, these are 4Ms like that. Okay, so next, when coming to here, what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Already we had seen on slide, correct? So when coming to here, enterprise resource planning, correct? Here it is the enterprise. Enterprise means what? Organization. Okay, enterprise means what? Organization. Suppose whether it is a company, firm, simply we have different names. Organization in the sense what, for our understandable way, it's a company, one firm. Okay, company or one firm. So in this company, okay, for our general and understanding terminology, take it as a company. When coming to resource, okay, when coming to resource, what is that? What are the 4Ms? Material, machinery, manpower, money. Okay, material, machinery, manpower, money. These 4Ms we call it as a resource. Okay, these 4Ms we call it as a resource. Planning means what? General, in general planning. Okay, suppose simple in this company. Okay, enterprise means it's an organization or company. In this organization, we are using these resources. Okay, we are using these resources: money, machinery, material, manpower. Okay, money, material, machinery, manpower. By using of these 4Ms, we are planning. Okay, what we are planning? We are planning what are the things we have to perform. Okay, proper planning by using of money, machinery, manpower. Okay, all these things at the same time. In your organization we have to perform all these things. What we got initially profit. What is that? We got a profit. Okay, this is the thing, this is the ERP. Okay, ERP means what? By using of this in this organization, by using of these resources in this planning way, we have to gain a profit, correct? End of the day, what is the ultimatum of any organization or any company? Okay, what is our ultimatum? The ultimatum is regarding to the profit. Okay, the ultimatum is profit. Okay, see, this is the way. Next coming to next slide. Okay, so ERP package, enterprise resource planning, that's okay. So ERP specifies 4Ms. Okay, how we have to perform in ERP? What is ERP? We have discussed here: enterprise resource planning, profit. Okay, so by using of enterprise resource planning, we have to gain a profit in this way. Okay, in this way. Next, if we are going to the next slide, what is that? Suppose before we are going to know about the SAP, okay, before we are going to know about the SAP, I have to explain one more thing. What is the general business? Okay, general cycle, general business cycle, how it will happen in market. General business cycle, how it will happen in the market, we have to see that. Okay, then after we will go for the SAP for your better understanding. Okay, because so we will see. Okay, all we don't have any idea regarding to this business, correct? Maybe some people are irrelevant fields, it might happen. Okay, for all your understanding purpose, we have to see. So when coming to here, supplier to customer, suppose we have two things. Customer is the person who want any product or anything, correct? We are the customers. We need TV, we need laptop. Okay, we need sofa, we need tables, everything, correct? We are the customer. Supplier is the person who are, okay, suppose, who are supplying all these things. Okay, who are supplying all these things to us. Okay, who are supplying all these things to us. But from supplier to us, okay, from supplier to us to reach the product, in between we have so many steps. Okay, in between we have so many steps. What will happen? From supplier, we as a customer, from supplier to, okay, we are customers. From supplier to your customer to reach the product, in between we have different steps. What are those? We have to discuss. Okay, suppose we as a customer, if we want any product, okay, suppose if we want any product like in dmarts, or whether it is electronic gadgets or whatever we want, we call it as a customer. We go to retail shop. Okay, we go to retail shop, whether it is a whole supermarkets, Reliance Marts, okay, Big C showroom, whatever, okay, whatever, whether it is a small shops like that, correct? So we as a customer go to retailer, okay, we are asked for that particular product. What are the particular product we want? We will ask them, okay, what they will reply, okay, what they will reply. If they have a product, simple, if they have a product, okay, they will sell a product to us, collect the money. That's the first case. Okay, that's the first case. When coming to second case, what will happen? If the product is not available, if the product is not available, they have to tell to us, okay, they have to tell, okay, we don't have a product. Okay, no issue, we will go for the another market, another shop, or another thing, we will collect. That's okay. When there is a third case, okay, first two cases is just straightforward. Whether we have a product, we have to take. If we don't have that, we will leave. That's okay. When coming to third case, what will happen? See, so retailer, okay, retailer, from retailer side they don't have a stock, but they want to ask a distributor. Okay, they want to ask distributor or manufacturer, okay, if they have a stock or not. Okay, suppose supplier is the persons who is supplying raw material to the manufacturer. Okay, raw material to the manufacturer. Simple. Suppose I want to make any car. Okay, I want to manufacture any car. I need a spare parts, wheels, seats, doors, steering, everything. Okay, those things I need. Who supply those things to us? Suppliers supply those things to us. Okay. So based on those things, what we have to do? We have to manufacture one car. Okay. Manufacture one car. Those car will go to distributors. Okay. Distributor. Those things will general take it as an example, but car market is quite different. Just for your understanding purpose, just time take this as an example. Go to distributors. Okay. This distributor to showrooms. Okay, this distributor, it will go to like Volkswagen, Audi, like that, different showrooms it will go based on the car. Okay, based on the car company, like that in real time also, in business, in real market also, how it will happen. If you want any product, from supplier to manufacturer, raw goods will move. Okay, raw goods will move from manufacturer to distributor. Okay, these raw goods, based on these raw products, manufacturer will manufacture. They will provide a finite shape to that product. That product will go to distributors. Okay, distributor, distributors, what will happen? They have to sell to the wholesaler or retailers or shops. Okay, from that shop it will distribute to customer. Okay, this is the general business, this is the general business, it will happen in the market. Okay, at the same time, in third case, what will happen? Customer asks for the retailer for the product, for the for that retailer, in the sense like a shop, wholesale shops are like, they want to check with distributor. Okay, distributor in the sense what? Here distributor is the person who will store bulk amount, like a good answer like that, they will store bulk. Okay, they will store bulk. Whenever the stock is completed from retailer end, whenever the stock is completed from the retailer end, the stock is distributed to retailer. Okay, the stock is distributed to retailer, from distributor to retailer the stock is moved. Okay, like that. So whether the distributor also don't have information, they have to ask for the manufacturer. Okay, whether the stock is, whether the product is manufactured on or not. In that time, if retailer will ask distributor, distributor ask manufacturer, manufacturer ask supplier, it will take a lot of time. Correct, it will take a lot of time. Up to that time, customer will wait. We as a customer wait? No, we don't wait. Okay, we as a customer not wait. In that case, what will happen? We lose the customer. Okay, in that case, what will happen? We lose the customer. Simple. What does it mean that we lose the customer? In the sense, we don't have a proper information. Okay, we don't have a proper information, that's why we might lose the customer. Otherwise, the fourth case is what? We have a proper information. Okay, Supply to manufacturer, manufacturer to distributor, retailer to customer. Whenever the any customer is came, okay, they have to ask for the stock, whether the stock is available or not. We have to check immediately with these teams. We have to send this information. So in that case, what will happen? Whether the stock is available, customer will take. If it is not available, you will come on tomorrow also, no issue, they will come. Correct? There is a trust is built between customer and the seller. Okay? Trust is built like that. Okay? Like that. This is a general way in business. In this way, how the business will happen. In SAP also we have happen like that. Okay? In SAP also we have a software. Like suppose sales team, we have a one SM tool is like a one software. Okay, one purchasing department, okay, purchasing also we have a one more tool. Okay, for finance also we have a one more thing. At the same time HR also we have a one more thing. Okay, so but this software, okay, sales department will provide SM tool like that, purchase department will provide this tool information, finance department will provide tally tool, like HR department time sheet tools like that. We have different teams. So instead of all these different things, okay, instead of providing all this information different things, suppose any customer asked for the any product, okay, any customer asked for the any product, then what we have to do? We have to go for the sales department. Okay, we have to go for the sales department. Sales department will have a some information only. What will happen at purchasing, finance and HR department? They don't have information. Why? Because they have a different departments. When coming to entire thing, okay, I have to unite entire thing with help of SAP. Okay, SAP is the software. It will provide you information to all these things. Okay, it will provide you information to all these things. In that case, what will happen? We will not lose customer. Okay, we will not lose customer like that. Okay, see, this is the way I generalized example, I included SAP. See, ERP says specifies what is that? Planning in all departments. Okay, it specifies planning in the all department in the organization. Okay, suppose this is a organization. In this organization we have sales team, purchase, finance, HR and production. Okay, sales, purchase, finance, HR and production. We have different departments. Okay, different departments in organization. Okay, so sales team in the sense those who are responsible for selling of goods, purchase team in the sense those who are responsible for purchasing of goods, finance team means those who are responsible for the profit and loss, financial related things, HR team in the sense like hiring. Okay, they will see those things. Okay, so balance it's everything. When coming to production, okay, when coming to production, what will happen? So the production of things, okay, production of things happen like that. So advantages of SAP. SAP will have solution for the all the departments in the organization. It's a tightly integrated product. Okay, SAP will have solution for all the department. Okay, suppose if you are seeing here, it will have a solution for all the departments. It not only entertain a sales part, at the same time purchase part, finance part, HR part. Not only with that, it will integrate all the parts. Okay, it will integrate all the things. That is the thing here saying. Okay, SAP will have solution for all the departments. SAP is a tightly integrated product. What is that? It's a tightly integrated product. Other ERP packages. Okay, so before already we have started. What is that? SAP is a ERP package. Correct? SAP is the ERP package, I said. Before SAP, okay, before SAP also we have ERP packages. Correct? SAP is not only the first ERP package. Okay, before SAP also we have other ERP packages. What are those ERP packages and which purpose we are using? Let us see. When coming to Oracle, okay, when coming to Oracle, the finance team, okay, the finance team will use this Oracle. Okay, at the same time HR, okay, at the same time HR department will use this PeopleSoft ERP package. When coming to manufacturing, okay, manufacturing team will use ban. So ZD Edwards, supply chain, okay, supply chain team will, they will use ZD Edwards. Customer relationship management, CRM team, they will use Sable. Okay, Simple. For different departments, they have different ERP packages. Okay. For different team, they have different ERP packages. But all the teams only we have a single, only one ERP package. What is SAP? Okay. SAP is a software. It unifies, it tightly integrates, at the same time it combines, or it provides a solution to all. What is that? SAP. Okay. Like that. Next, modules. Okay, what is that? Modules. We have different modules in SAP. Okay, different modules in SAP. One is that functional module. Okay, one is that functional module, and second is technical module. Okay, one is functional module and second is technical module. What are the functional modules? SD, sales and distribution; FI, finance; CO, controlling; and MM, material management; PP, project planning; at the same time QM, quality management. These are the functional modules. Okay, these are the functional modules. When coming to second thing is what? Technical modules. What is that? When coming to second thing, it's a technical modules, that is basis and ABAP. We call it as a basis and ABAP. Okay, we have different modules along with this. Okay, so different modules. In these modules, just I will give you overview. Okay, I will give you overview. So what is their role? Okay, what is their role? Simple. HCM, human capital management. Okay, human capital management means what? Manages human resources, payrolls, recruitment and employee data. Okay, manage human resource, payroll, recruitment and employee data. Okay, these are the things they will manage. They will manage. Financial accounting and controlling. Okay, financial accounting and controlling. It's a FICO. Okay, it's a FICO. It handles financial transactions, accounting and reporting. Okay, it handles financial transactions, accounting and reporting. Okay, next, sales and distribution. What it manages, this is now what we are discussing about this module. Okay, this is our module which manages sales order, pricing, deliveries and billing. Okay, it manages sales order, pricing. Okay, for example, I want to sell one product to customer. I want to sell one product to customer. In that case, how sale order, pricing to that product, at the same time deliveries and billing will happen, this module will discuss. Okay, material management. It manages inventory, purchasing and procurement. Okay, it manages inventory, how stock is managed, purchasing and procurement, those things it will manage. Next, production planning. Okay, production planning. It plans and manages production activities. Okay, what is that? It plans and manages production related activities. Next, quality management. What is that? Quality management. It ensures product quality through testing and inspection. Okay, testing and inspection. Suppose if you are production planning, in the sense, if you are purchasing, if you are purchasing anything, okay, any product to our organization, what we have to do? We have to perform some quality test. Okay, we have to perform some quality test and inspection. Okay, quality test and inspection. In that case, it will helpful. Okay, plant maintenance. Okay, plant maintenance. It manages maintenance activities per plant equipment. We have a one more plant. Okay, one plant. In this plant, what we have to do? I have to manage. Okay, I have to manage maintenance of that plant. Okay, maintenance of that plant equipment. That is the plant maintenance. Okay, project system manages projects and related resources. Okay, what is that? It manages projects and resources. CRM, obviously, it's a customer relationship management. It's an interaction between the customer and the organization. Okay, it's an interaction between the customer and the organization. Like that. Simply, this is the overview how they have to follow. When coming to basis and abap, these are the obviously what we said, these are the technical modules. Simply basis. Okay, basis module will responsible for the installation and configuration and maintenance or administration. Okay, suppose we have a one software. For that software we need installation, some password settings, correct, some configurations, like some system connections. Okay, some administrations, like that. In this way, this basis thing will work. Okay, basis thing will work. When coming to this ABAP, okay, when coming to ABAP, what will happen? It's a like programming, okay, it's a programming language. At the same time, with help of this, we have to customize some reports, interfaces or enhancements, okay, interfaces or enhancements, workflows to specific business needs, okay, specific business needs, like that. Next coming to versions, okay, next coming to versions. What are the versions we have in this ECC, okay, what are the versions in SAP, okay. When coming to, we have a two things. This is in ECC versions and HANA versions also, okay. See here in ECC, from starting 3 4.6, like 4.6c, 4.7, 5, 6, like that, okay. We have different versions, okay, we have different versions up to 2005. First of all, what is the version? The difference between version to version is what? Simple. The difference between version to version is what? Upgradation of project and performance and benefits. Okay. I am upgrading my project from one version to one version. Simple. In general example, if you are saying, if you want to take our mobile phone, okay, so frequently few days, like every 15 days or 20 days or every 1 month, what they will ask? It will ask for the update, correct? It will ask for the update. What is that update? Whenever if we are doing that update, our apps and our features, whatever the things we have in our mobile, it will come with a new thing. Okay, it will come with a new thing, like that. In SAP also we have a version to version vary. Okay. See, enhancement package. Okay. See, this is the versions at the same time after completion of this sixth version. Okay, after completion of sixth version, what will happen usually? 3 after 4.6, 4.7, 5, 6, like that. Next also, what you have to expect, like whether it is a 7, 8, 9 or 10, like that, correct? But it will not happen like that. Okay, it will not happen like that. What it will happen? Okay, it was happened like that. So after sixth version, they have released EHP. Okay, what is that? After sixth version, they are not released seventh version, eighth version, ninth version, like that. Okay, what they will do? They have maintained this EHP package. Okay, EHP package from 2006 onwards. Enhancement package 1, enhancement package 2, enhancement package 3, enhancement package 4, like that, up to enhancement package 8. Okay, to the up to enhancement package 8. Present also we have a enhancement package 8 only. Okay, enhancement package 8 only. Next, versions in SAP S4 HANA. Before, what we had discussed? We had discussed versions in ECC. Now we have a different versions in S4 HANA also. Like in 2015 we have a 1511, okay, 16 16 10, 17 17 09, like that. When coming to 2021, this is the latest, okay, 23 is the latest version, like that. This is the way in versions in S4 HANA. Okay. Next, what is the benefit from ECC to S4 HANA? We have a two things, okay. From ECC to S4 HANA, we have an upgradation of in database, okay. We have upgradation in database. What is that? So simply few points remember. Easy to update business models. Okay. Easy to update business models. We have to update business model easily. Okay. Next, simple to bring acquisitions, lower cost, faster, more accurate forecast and speed performance. Simple. The entire slide what it will show? It will show that, so if you are upgrading to one thing to another thing, it is easy. Okay, cost is also low, very fast, very accurate and very speed. Okay, that's why we are using this benefits. Okay, we are using this benefits. Next, architecture. Okay, what is that? We have a three-tier architecture in SAP. Okay, we have a three-tier architecture. C, R3. Okay, what is our three-tier architecture? R3. 3 means three-tier architecture, presentation, application and database. Three type of layers we have. Okay, presentation layer, application and database layer. These three tier. At the same time, R means real-time system. Okay, real-time system. That's why it's a R3 version. Next, landscape. Next, coming to what? It's a landscape. Landscape means what? Arrangement of servers. Okay, well, whenever if you are opening SAP software, we have a some landscape. Okay, we need to perform some landscape. What is that landscape? Landscape means arrangement of servers. Development server, quality server, and production server. Development server, quality server, and production server. Okay, simply in development server, consultants will use, quality server, consultants and core users, production server, end users. Okay, like that we have different persons. Okay, those persons will responsible for those things. Though what does it mean, like consultants or core users, end users, we have to discuss in later. Okay, so we will discuss in upcoming session. Just I will give you overview today. Okay. Okay, so it is simple. Why we are using these servers? For the development servers, we have to create a new things, or we have to configure. We have to do settings. Okay. Whatever doing for development servers, we have to create a new code, configure settings, or perform things. When coming to quality, what will happen? So testing will done. Okay. What are the things we have developed? We have to check in this quality vigorously. Okay. We have to check pin to pin each and everything. Then only we have to move this to the production server. Okay, then only we have to move this to the production server. Okay, this is the things will happen. Okay, suppose we have a transport request also. Okay, what is that? We have a transport request also in SAP. So we have a two different things. One is customizing request and another one is workbench request. Okay, one is customizing request and second is workbench request. Whenever if we want to move the data from one system to another system, through here the movement will happen. Through here the movement will happen. Okay. So scope, whenever if you are learning, okay, whenever if you are learning this SAP SD, what is the scope? Okay, what is the scope? Whether you have to work from the business side. Okay, whether if you have to work from the business side, we call it as a end user. Okay, what is that? End user. End user is the person who is working from business side. Okay, who is working from business side, we call it as a end user. So suppose like for your example, it's a Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Reliance and BHL, like that. Okay. These are the business path. Consulting path. What is that next? Consulting path. So joining a consulting firm in the like as a SAP SD consultant. Okay. As a SAP consultant, that is a consulting path. So like whether suppose if you have an Accenture, IBM, Capgemini, Infosys, TCS or Deloitte, just these are the well-known companies you know. That's why I write here. So if you are working in this as a consultant, otherwise from business end also we have to work. Okay, from business end also we have to work like that. Simple. So we have a different projects in SAP. Okay, we have a different project in SAP, but only four main projects is what? Implementation project, support project, roller project, and upgrade project. Okay, these are the different project we have. Okay, when coming to next thing, what is in this SAP SD, what we will learn? Okay, in this SAP SD, what you will learn? Simply inquiry, how to general OTC cycle, order to cash. Okay, inquiry. So whether if you want to any product, if you want to go to shop, we have to inquire that product. Okay, then after they have to provide some quotation. Correct. When coming to sale order, what will happen? Okay, we have to create one order, delivery and billing. Okay, like this way. In this way we will discuss in depthly in regular classes. Just this is the way, this is the pattern OTC cycle will work. Okay, see what is the future of SAP. Mostly those who are working in other ERP packages to SAP, the shifting will happen. Okay, from other ERP packages to SAP, they will shift. Okay, they will shift. But when coming to when there is a incoming is happen, outgoing, like from those people who are in SAP, they will not go to another thing. Okay, they will not go to another ERP packages. Okay, like Java, .NET, Python, we have different things. Correct. Those people are mostly come from Java, .NET, DevOps, AWS, whatever they are doing, they will come from their side to SAP. But it will not happen. They will prove from SAP to their side. Okay, that is the thing will happen. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the thing which is recording to the SAP. Okay, which is recording to the SAP when coming to content also. Okay, when coming to content also. This is the content we will provide usually, okay, like SAP introduction, enterprise structure, org structure, everything. Okay, if you are seeing here each and what are the things we have in content, we have to provide each and everything. Okay, as for HANA topics, at the same time real time sessions also, okay, real time preparation, okay, and interview guidance, like all these things. What are the things if you have in this content? Okay, in this content what are the things we have to cover each and everything. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the thing will happen. Okay, this is the things will happen. So this is the demo session regarding to things. So as a faculty I will guide you, I will teach you the concept each and everything pin to pin, the thing which we have in content. When coming to labs, lab practice, okay, lab practice also we have a real time. So Subbu sir is available. Okay, these are the contact numbers. He will help you regarding to the lab practice. Okay, for the lab practice if you have any queries, sir will help you. Okay, this is the demo session and this is the thing which is related to us. Okay, so if now it's your turn. Okay, now it's your turn. If you have any queries, any doubts, so one by one please start.